This is different. I've never done this before. How did I do? Yeah? Ha-ha!
Okay, that's a different shape.
That's a different shape. That's... Welcome to Vince's at Home. We are still looking for things to bring to potlucks.
Yes, we keep seeing these videos of these crispy rice paper dumplings.
Which they look like spring rolls of some kind.
They're kind of like a spring roll.
I don't think they're a dumpling.
Well, they're not deep fried, they're just pan fried.
I think it's a spring roll, but that's okay.
Well, we're using spring roll wraps,
Yes.
but we're pan frying it like a dumpling.
Cool.
So maybe it's a cross between a spring roll and a dumpling.
We're making it our own thing.
Yes.
Okay, fair enough.
So we're going to attempt this today.
First time with you on camera.
Yes.
Let's see how it goes. It can't be that hard. It looked pretty straightforward.
So we have mushrooms, carrots, cabbage, garlic.
And it's ground turkey, but you could also use tofu.
And we're gonna cook everything before it goes into the rice paper, except for the green onions, which we're just gonna sprinkle in the mixture.
Okay. I don't need to be a hero, so I'm segmenting. Created a quarter instead of a gigantic amount. And I'm using my fingers behind the knife just to kind of guide me so I can get nice and close. How am I doing, Derek?
That was a good one.
That was a good one?
So I think you can bring over the ginger.
These things are kind of gnarly on the outside, but then once you get into them, pretty easy. So you have prepared our filling. You added some soy sauce along with a dash of sesame oil. You stirred throughout. You salt and peppered it.
I did not. Does it need a little bit of salt and pepper?
That's to season a bit. So season usually means salt and pepper. When it's softened to your liking, take it off the heat and you put in the onions and let it cool down. So while you're doing that, I'm gonna make the gyoza dipping sauce.
So this is a little wet. Okay, so we're ready. We have the rice paper sheets.
Yep.
We have the filling that's cooled down. Do you want to help me? We'll do two at a time.
Okay, how wet does it get?
Well, it needs to be like malleable so you can manipulate it.
This is way outside my comfort zone. It appears to be flexible to me. Oh yeah, they're getting very malleable now.
Okay, so now we're going to spoon. So we're going to fold this way, this way, this way, to a rectangle, and then we're going to double wrap it.
I do see why we need the double wrap. The first one is a little thin. How's my wrapping consistency? I feel like this one was a little weaker. I think number one was better. Notice the level of concentration happening here, Derek? Don't want to screw up the fold. Is this necessary, you think?
Should we cut one in half and see what it looks like inside, or should we just bite right into it?
Honey, you can do whatever you like. You might want to just use your hands.
Wait, you think I can't do it?
No! Can't say nothing.
Really good.
These are good.
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
When we don't know what to say, that means it's good. It's actually good. That wasn't that hard.
No, it was hard.
It was multi-stepped.
Take some time.
It was multi-stepped, but it wasn't good. That dipping sauce is good. I can't double dip, can I? Well, until next time, try something different. This is a great option. Look how pretty it was too, with the sesame seed and the green onion. This is a great potluck bring along, I think.
Totally.
Okay, see you next time.
Enjoy.